A credit card is a powerful tool in the modern world of finance, but like any tool, it's only as effective as the hands that wield it. Let's explore how to use a credit card effectively. Step 1, understand the basics. A credit card is essentially a short-term loan. When you make purchases using your card, you're borrowing money from the issuing bank. But remember, it's not free money, it's a debt that needs to be repaid. Step 2, spend wisely. One of the biggest mistakes people make is treating their credit limit like a spending goal. Instead, view it as a safety net for emergencies or planned purchases. Stick to a budget and avoid overspending to prevent accumulating debt that you can't afford to repay. Step 3, pay off your balance in full each month. This is crucial. By paying off your entire balance by the due date, you avoid costly interest charges and you maintain a healthy credit score. It's a win-win situation that puts you in control of your finances. If you aren't able to pay off the full balance, please make sure that you are at least making the monthly minimum payment. Step 4, monitor your transactions regularly. Keep track of your spending to detect any unauthorized charges or errors. Reviewing your statements can also help you identify areas where you may need to adjust your budget or your spending habits. And there you have it. Using a credit card effectively boils down to knowledge, discipline, and vigilance. When used responsibly, a credit card can be a valuable tool for managing your finances and building a strong credit history.